Hey everyone, welcome back to Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. It's been a while since I shot a video. That's because I have been super busy creating a new raised bed garden. I have some traditional wood boxes that I'm going to showcase, but today I want to showcase my new Olle beds. They were super easy to assemble. I did them all by myself and they look fantastic. So join me today as I show you how I put them together and watch the follow-up series on how I fill them and how I plant them. Thanks for joining me today at the Treehouse Garden. Let's face it, there are a lot of modular raised bed garden choices out there. I chose Olle because number one, they're a sustainability focused company, which I really liked. They do have a master gardener and a lot of information on their website. I love their sleek design and their beautiful colors, but best yet, I called customer service to ask some questions and wow, I got great results. Once the Olle bed came to my house in a box, one per box, I had to decide which configuration I was going to use. From there, I laid out all the parts, then came the tedious task. I had to peel off the the plastic protective layer that made the beds beautiful on each piece, on the front side and the back side. This does require a little bit of patience, but once all the plastic was peeled off, it was time to assemble the beds. I did this all by hand at first, and then once I had the bed in the right configuration and everything looked good, I tightened all the bolts with a drill. Lastly, I put on the rubber coating on the top of the beds. This just kind of gave it a finished look that they provided, and it also got rid of any sharp edges. So here she is, all ready to be filled in the garden. Thank you so much for joining me today at the Treehouse Garden and embarking on this new raised bed garden journey with me. I look forward to showcasing my new Olle beds, and I look forward to you joining me on this journey. Don't forget to seed the day.